Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to make this Pom Pom bunny. It's very easy and super cute. This Pom Pom bunny looks like a stuffed animal, but you won't need any stuffing or even crochet skills to get this look. The materials we'll be using include a ball of yarn, a pair of scissors, a brush or comb, and black, white, and pink felt. Only a small piece of each is needed. Start off by wrapping a piece of yarn around 4 of your fingers. We're going to wrap this 100 times at least. Once you're done wrapping, use both ends of the yarn and tie into a bundle. Make sure to pull the knot really tight. Now repeat the process and make a second bundle of the same size. Now tie both of the bundles together. Now cut open all of the loops in your bundle. You can see here that your pom-pom is starting to form. Make sure all of the loops are cut open. Trim the loose yarn pieces so that your ball is nice, neat, and round. Now take a brush and start brushing all of the yarn strands. This will create the fuzzy, shaggy look. Now our pom-pom is nice and fluffy. Here I'm adding a loop to my bunny so that I would be able to hang him from anywhere. Next, create a third pom-pom of a smaller size. Using the same method, this is going to be the muzzle or the nose part of the bunny. I'm going to attach it so it looks like this. I ended up using hot glue rather than the white school glue because the hot glue was much stronger. To create the ears, I cut out pieces of white felt. I ended up using 2 layers of felt because one layer was a little too thin and floppy. Once again, I used hot glue instead of the white glue because they just were not holding tight with the white glue. For the nose, cut out a tiny triangle of pink felt. For the eyes, cut out little pieces of black felt. And here he is, all finished. Nice and fluffy. You can even hang him up like an ornament since we included a loop. Can you believe how easy and simple that was? Be sure to check out my other video where I show you how I made his bear friend. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye!